in Amia video because we got this huge surprise with some sisters. So we gotta open it right now. So let's start opening it.
Need help opening it?
No. And we'll start opening it and let's start opening it.
Somebody's strong.
Huh?
Somebody's strong.
Somebody's bigger than me. Can I make it? Open it. Okay, it's gonna be a surprise. Oh, I got the purse. Nothing.
What is that?
Huh?
What is it?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Twin.
Maybe the purse was in there, huh?
Huh?
Maybe the purse was in there.
Maybe.
Yeah, see, opening it. What's in there?
A dress.
A dress.
With some shoes. With some shoes. You just have the purse. Just have the purse.
A dress. A purse. And then can you get that out of there?
Yeah. It's here. Will you help me, please?
Yeah.
Baby.
There you go. Reach in there and grab it out.
Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. So we go.
Wow. How do you open that?
We get the tape off.
You gotta get the tape off.
Yeah. Bottom part. So now we can open it. First, we need to take this off too. The boils.
Ooh, you got it.
Yes, I got it, girl. Yeah, I got it. I think I got it.
How you open that now?
Now we open it. Let's help me.
Then you gotta twist it off.
Cheese.
Pull it off. Whoa!
Surprisable.
Surprise! Look at all that confetti.
Freddy.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa.
I got two surprisables.
Oh my gosh, what's in them?
Huh?
How many is there?
4.
4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Wow.
Now let's open them. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. There's a lot of confetti in here.
There's more confetti in there.
Five.
Oh, we really got this.
Oh, 4. Good toy. That's mine. Is this 4? Put this. Yeah.
Wow, that's the girl. So
Yes.
that's the girl for the skirt and the purse and the dress.
Yeah. I'll need all her stuff. And her got an undershirt.
Cow. sheep, horse, goat, pig, hen, dog,
And it really would be hard to open.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Hard to open?
Mhm.
Because look, there's a lot of confetti.
A lot of confetti.
Yeah.
Can you open that from that one?
The kitty's so cute.
Mhm.
We don't need to pop it out. We got one more surprise left. That's strawberry ice cream.
Wow. And what's in there?
Not you.
Something's in there.
Huh?
I opened it.
It's nothing.
No, what's that? Shoes.
Shoes.
It's her shoes.
Shoes.
Let's see, we got shoes. What is this? Ice cream?
Ice cream.
And where's that stuff? Got a dress. A purse. Where'd the dog go? Where'd the person go?
Person.
Where's the little doll at? On the floor. Oh, she dropped down on the floor. And we got a little girl.
Pretend this is a hat.
You want to pretend it's a hat? A strawberry.
Yeah. I want my hat. There's a. I don't want my hat. I just want my shoes.
Get her dress.
Oh, get her this. Just and these are her undie shirts. These are not her undie shirts. Just this extra undershirts. That's so cool. Just her white ice cream, huh? You got glitter on you! Put your on your hat. Put it on your hat. Do you want to wipe it now? No. Whoa. Whoa, I like confetti on my hat. I like confetti on her hat.
Put her
Whoa.
shoes on.
Huh?
Shoes. She needs some shoes on, right?
I gotta put my her shoes on first.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Those are her socks. It's a Hawaiian toy, right, Mama?
Yeah. From the world of Ryan. From the world of Ryan.
From the world of Ryan? Ow! Did Ryan send this to me?
No, he didn't send it to
Are they us?
you.
Okay. Her need a skirt on still. This skirt? And the big number one?
It says collect one of 6, so there's 6 other little figures.
Figures?
Yeah, little girls like that. Little dolls. There's 6 more of them.
What is it?
You gotta collect them. You gotta find them in the store. You gotta find them in the store.
Okay.
Did you get the skirt on?
Yeah.
It's hard to get over her shoes. It's hard to get on over those shoes.
I need help.
You open it on?
So hard. There's more fatty in here. Do you like her hat? So cool, pretty. Her need her undershirt on. After we got our undershirt.
I think that's just a regular shirt. She already got an undershirt on.
Huh?
I think that's just a regular shirt.
No, it's not. It's an undershirt.
That's a dress. You can put the dress on over all her clothes? Okay.
That's her best equals. Stop at the back.
Oh, her skirt fell down. Her skirt fell down. It's different outfits.
Opposite.
Yeah, let me see. Wow.
I need to put her shoes on. You get to know her shoes. Her can't do it by herself. Hello. Hello. Put her another shoe on. These are sandals.
Those are sandals.
For the beats. Hello. Hello. And then push. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Ow!
She can really stand up, can't she? There she goes.
Her can stand up or him hurt her head. Her stick. Her say, what? My skirt. Ow. Her say, ow. Give me my skirt back.
All right, did you like the surprise? Did you like the little kitty thing? The surprises in it?
How pretty.
You see?
That's a pile of
It had a lot of confetti in it, huh? Oh, it's in your hair.
You want to see more of my videos? Do you want to see more of my videos? You comment below with your favorite toy. When you give a toy Bye. And I will see you next time. And I will buy. Because you a banana.
You're gonna buy them a banana?
I will give you a banana. But do you want to see all our videos in the Subvert Mermaid? And you can see me next.